Hyundai Kona Electric. The Hyundai Kona Electric strikes a compelling balance between affordability and driving excitement. Let's dive into what makes it stand out. Starting at around $30,750, the Kona Electric is one of the most competitively priced electric SUVs on the market. With federal and state tax credits, the cost can decrease even further, making it a tempting option for eco-conscious drivers on a budget. Don't let the price tag fool you. The Kona Electric boasts a respectable 258-mile range on a single charge, allowing you to tackle daily commutes and weekend adventures with ease. Plus DC fast charging capabilities bring it back to 80% in just under an hour, perfect for quick refuels during road trips. Step inside the Kona Electric and you'll be greeted by a modern and spacious cabin. The clean lines and futuristic touches feel anything but budget-friendly. Ample legroom and headroom ensure comfort for both driver and passengers, while the cargo space easily swallows up groceries or adventure gear. Don't underestimate the Kona Electric's electric heart. Mazda MX-30. The Mazda MX-30 stands out in the electric car market with its sleek, coupe-like design and unique rear door configuration. But when it comes to affordability, practicality, and performance, it throws some curveballs into the mix. Let's delve into what makes this quirky EV tick. While not the cheapest in its class, the MX-30 starts at a fairly competitive price point. However, its limited range, only 168 miles on a single charge, might make other, longer range options look more appealing, especially considering potential tax credits. It's important to weigh up your driving needs and charging accessibility before taking the plunge. The MX-30's interior boasts a minimalistic and stylish design, inspired by Scandinavian aesthetics. Cork accents and recycled materials add a touch of eco-consciousness. However, the rear suicide doors and snug backseat might not be ideal for families or those who frequently haul cargo. Consider your passenger and storage needs carefully before committing. Chevrolet Bolt EV. The Chevrolet Bolt EV, a small hatchback packing a punch in the electric vehicle world, deserves a closer look. It might not turn heads with sleek curves or boast the latest tech, but beneath its unassuming exterior lies a vehicle that excels in one crucial area, affordability. For those dipping their toes into the EV pool, the Bolt EV's price tag starts at a refreshingly approachable $25,000. This, coupled with the potential for hefty federal and state tax credits, makes it a budget-friendly entry point compared to many pricier competitors. But affordability doesn't translate to skimping on performance. The Bolt EV's electric motor churns out a respectable 200 horsepower, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a zippy 6.5 seconds. While not neck and neck with Tesla's Roadsters, its acceleration is enough to leave most gas-powered hatchbacks in the dust. Inside, the Bolt EV prioritizes practicality over luxury. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, offering ample legroom and headspace for both driver and passengers. Kia Niro EV. The Kia Niro EV carves out a unique niche in the electric vehicle landscape, striking a balance between affordability, practicality, and performance. Starting at a competitive price point around $39,550, the Niro EV makes the transition to electric driving more accessible than many of its rivals. While not the absolute cheapest option, it offers a compelling package for the cost, avoiding the budget-breaking sticker shock some EVs carry. Government incentives like tax credits can further sweeten the deal, bringing the effective price down even lower. For its price tag, the Niro EV doesn't skimp on features. The base wind trim comes equipped with heated front seats, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a suite of driver assistance technologies. Higher trims offer additional luxury touches like a sunroof, leather upholstery, and a premium sound system, allowing you to tailor the car to your preferences without breaking the bank. Nissan Leaf. For many drivers, the the Nissan Leaf represents the gateway to the exciting world of electric vehicles. Its competitive price tag, starting around $28,000, makes it one of the most affordable EVs on the market, easily tempting those curious about ditching the gas pump. This doesn't mean compromising on quality, though. The Leaf boasts a comfortable and spacious interior, offering ample room for passengers and cargo. While not overflowing with cutting-edge tech, it still provides the essentials for a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. But how does it perform? Well, the Leaf isn't a speed demon. It offers two powertrain options, with the base model delivering a respectable 147 horsepower and the SV Plus bumping it up to 214 horsepower. While not exhilarating, it provides adequate acceleration and a zippy feel for city driving. Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 has become synonymous with the modern electric car revolution. Its sleek design, impressive performance, and extensive charging network make it a tempting choice for many. But is it truly affordable, and how do its other aspects stack up? Let's take a closer look. While the Model 3 boasts a lower starting price compared to luxury cars, it sits at the higher end of the mainstream EV spectrum. However, consider the potential of federal and state tax credits, which can significantly offset the initial cost. Ultimately, whether it's affordable depends on your budget and financial priorities. The minimalist cabin might not cater to everyone's taste. The large central touchscreen controls most functions, which can be both futuristic and frustrating depending on your tech savviness. Interior materials are sleek and modern, but some might find them lacking in the plushness often associated with luxury brands. Volkswagen ID.4. The Volkswagen ID.4 aims to be the sweet spot for those seeking an electric SUV that's accessible, practical, and enjoyable to drive. Let's dive into its key strengths, starting at $38,995, before potential tax credits. The ID.4 is one of the more budget-friendly options in the electric SUV segment. This makes it a compelling choice for first-time EV buyers or those who want a green ride without breaking the bank. Stepping inside the ID.4 reveals a spacious and airy cabin with a minimalist design. The 10-inch touchscreen dominates the center console, controlling most infotainment functions, while Volkswagen's signature digital instrument cluster keeps everything within easy view. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making even long journeys a breeze. While not a speed demon, the ID.4 offers a lively and responsive driving experience. The base rear-wheel drive model boasts 201 horsepower and 229 pounds-to-foot of torque, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 8.5 seconds.